Yes, people. Trying to get in shape for the future. It's a long road ahead. Gotta keep it steady. Morality in this country. And the righteous people, they might try to hold this thing together. Because the morality for the next generation, I break down. Like Babylon, the morality, I break down. You see me? And we have to now put in a Jamaica information, we can raise the man them consciousness. So them not just run around and chase after woman. It's just the levels. Jamaica still stuck on one level because them have access to certain books and information. That's why I came, and that I got change, you know. Watch.
Give them something to eat, to build their nerves.
Mm-hmm.
Right. To make them go feel at home.
Mm-hmm.
When I send them a picnic at school, both for me and for Jai, I don't send them go, you turn up and pay your breaks, you turn up and look for me. No?
Mm-hmm.
You see, I pick them by them.
Mm-hmm.
You see, that's how I send them at school. And you give your picnic them good food. And one thing, you're not a picnic or a grand picnic, you might never get none. No, give your children dainty bread.
What's dainty bread?
You rob somebody.
Eh?
When you rob somebody
And give food to your
your children, it's not good.
Okay.
Dainty bread.
Okay.
Or you thief something.
Yes.
Thief something to them.
So when you do that now, you mess up for them generation.
Of course. Because if the food where you eat, bill you know and carry you.
Mm-hmm.
You realize that.
Yeah.
So now what you eat, now what the kind of food you eat, I go bill you.
Yeah.
And if the food not clean, you can't bill clean.
Okay.
You
So
you cannot bill clean if the food not clean.
So
Because of the material. If you have a bill your house and you take small and little, don't bill it, and you put no cement or no steel in there, how long it will serve you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bill from this so.
So even the food them are
Material things.
Uh-huh.
Bill your body.
Yeah.
And you have to take it from your young.
So when you did give
But
it
when you reach certain age like 20, 30, or going up in a part, it can build what you lose out. Because you don't have that foundation in you. You must get the foundation from your bond, the day you're born, so tell when you reach the age where you reach. And if you understand me.
that is why I'm so strong, because you give me the
Feel
foundation.
good food to eat, cow milk and caramel porridge.
Yeah.
Some people are picking it with biscuit and cheese chip.
Mm-hmm.
Caramel porridge every Jesus morning, give me that God fear, like the baby, have to get in caramel porridge.
Mm-hmm.
And one time I take him off of that now, I give him other peel the banana and try and beat it and take him make porridge. Boil the corn. You know how many corn?
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Me know hasham and aminican.
Yes, how many corn where you boil?
Yes.
Alright. We boil how many can you cook it up, you boil it, and you cow milk. Me used to make it go now. And when me take out the water out half of the corn, right?
Mm-hmm.
And mix, and like porridge.
Mm-hmm.
That you get everything out of the corn,
Yeah.
Alright. I mean, not boil how many corn. Up to last time, I said, I go soak milk corn for boil. Every week or every other week. I must not have none. Sometimes I boil it 2 times for the week. Lucky. You're lucky. And tell me why you think I could have been him up in my mouth and talk. And you come here. when me go leave Jamaica and go America, your grandaunt, when we go the evening, and then come to me every time I go in the house, sit down. Here I see. And who is this? I say, who you send for? Or who you expect? Him say, Lina, let me tell you the truth. If me did go to the airport to pick you up, me then I carry you come here. You hear what I say?
Them couldn't believe you're so strong and nice.
Eh?
Them couldn't believe you say so strong and nice.
He said, Lina, me help you all because somebody bend down. So,
Like a old woman.
I want to close. I remember my baby just left England and come now, you know. And then me left the other month and go over there. So me look good man. I say, Selena, me I carry you. Me I leave you same place there. For I know you. God, I say, you feel you. And when me go over there now, and when me say, my husband, and the man just want to shirt up something. So I tell you, say, when time me cook, no say when me cook, when me cook. And when my name again, right? Oh. I say husband.
Yeah.
When he eat and nothing be doing, when he had the 3 month man, call her belly. I say, call you have to go pay Lina if you come here, you know, because look how you enter and look for you, man. And your color come back pretty today. They say, when the man sit down on the table, you know, man, I'm going to eat. You know how to eat food, though. Like planting, banana, all that, something there. Yam also, you know, and then rice and peas and then cold pan mix up, cut up, and shake up. I mean, I don't know what, some of them don't know what. Greens and so. Which is not the fridge, that the man go eat, man. You just see my jaw, it is the hand to and a wiping face, just a straight.
Yeah.
Man look good before me left the man. See, I tell the very beginning, man. Marlene again. Marlene was with me for 4 years, 5 years. And I go by your mother and take it. When I go by for your granny and take him 2-year-old, then come for him when he's 6, come. Then come take him way back because they say, must say look too good.
So you took care enough of the kids then?
Yeah, man, me take care of them, man. Marlene, I me take for Pauline, for you, and Tenny, and Jai. Me used to, Jai never lived down here with me, but me used to go look for her and support that her sissy pick me. But Marlene and Pauline now, and sis, the other one name, Maki, Danny, Tuxi. Oh, Jesus have mercy. Everybody come on here. Aunty Lina. Everybody come on here. Who Maki, they live around here with me.
Maki, they live with you too?
Yes, Maki, they live around here a couple months. Yes, a couple months they live around here. I don't know, my man is in girl. I don't know if I'm telling man in my life. I mean, about sure, say. But he was here to tell him go. Say, man, go. Men go back. My boy, I tell that me say they are town. They back at town, tell him come back and now they now come below, come down below. You see me, you go on there?
Yeah, man.
You not go up there?
Yeah. Mark you up there.
He said, Maki, just hook up. Well, I like. Some of the lie down and some turn up. Some are run and some are walk. And everything mix up. I just tell them people, say, anything happen, if you have one to glean on radio, on TV. Something have happened before. Oh. Something might be happened for them report it. And something might be happened for them publish it. Nothing happy up now, man. Nothing happy. You want to be here.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Well, you know, sir, the other day I said to myself, you have to go look for Aunty Lina, you know, because you don't know the time of day. Aunty Lina, reason why me strong today.
Okay.
The reason why I have strength today is because of you.
Mm.
We can't always thank God, you know, but we have to thank the people in our life.
That's right.
We can't just say, God make them be who them is. So we can't just say, God get all the glory, but the people that will do the work.
But you see, instead you not see man, you can't see him.
Ah.
You have to see man before you see him, you know. You have to go through man to reach him. Yeah, you must think me an idiot. Because you want to see yourself, you know, see the man.
To the son, forget to the father, honor the son and the daughters. You're God's son and daughters.
If you never know here, you want to come here and you get advice. Now, there's somebody will advise you come through.
Mm-hmm.
You come through him and come find respect you there.
Mm-hmm.
You have to ask. Me tell you something, yeah, man.
To respect the elders.
Yes. And whether for you or not, you have to respect them on the street, anywhere you go and see them.
Mm-hmm.
You see, you respect the elderly man, because if the tree don't die,
yeah,
what happened to the root? It not grow.
Mm-hmm.
None of them now grow.
Mm-hmm.
You have tree where send seed where the seed grow.
Mm-hmm.
But some of the tree them not send no seed, they send the springing.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Some trees spring, but some the seed.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, read that. So when him dead,
Mm-hmm.
for him seed ready on.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Yeah.
Aye. Yeah, man. That's why he send seed.
So you're very happy and content in your time here?
Yeah, man. Yeah, everybody asks, who is that? Who? You see one big man over there, who? I tell them who. I tell them who. So the young miss over there, so I say, Mama, are the little young baby boy been there? I say, yes. I'm the same one. Kevin. Because she know if I work. There's a many of over there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Name Tenny and Kevin. Say, yes, man.
So
Yeah, man.
she remember it?
Yeah, man. Not enough people remember me. Remember me, see you and Pachika up and they asked me who. I say, you don't remember Kevin? The little baby, the littlest one. You see, and one been tall and one a baby with this that tip. And the other one I run up and down. Boy, life, Kevin life, man, I tell you. No, may I tell you. You see, if what belongs to man,
Mm-hmm.
then to give to them,
Mm-hmm.
life would have been better, you're stronger, and you live longer.
Mm-hmm.
But what is free, you're taken away from you.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes no one of them know where you go to.
Mm-hmm.
And I see,
Mm-hmm.
okay. And that's what I say.
Mm-hmm.
Because right now, if you is here,
Yes, ma'am.
and you have things that will make you better off in life, and so somebody take you away from you, it drop you on your face.
Mm-hmm.
Though you may can rise and try again, but you could have been better off.
Mm-hmm.
Because instead that you have one, you'll have two.
Yes.
Or instead that you have four, you have 8.
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you something, yeah, man. Man not study life. If you study life,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
if you study life, man. And sometimes, you know, the life studying again, some of us is very careless.
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
Careless. You build a rolling foundation, you know that the foundation no firm, no fit.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? Man make house, you know, and no put no ceiling at the down there.
Mm-hmm.
When them around, you know, when them around foundation.
Yes.
But if you don't put no ceiling there, the house will go collapse, you know.
Yes.
One at a time.
Yes.
You see.
Mm-hmm.
And when what we hold up, it give way, and you know, and now see it back up. And gone, you know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, right. We be from foundation, man. The man may say, you know, get a stone, you roll stone.
Mm-hmm.
You see? So if you just roll along there, when you get to find you, what happen?
You have to build on solid,
Yeah.
strong foundation.
Yeah,
You have to give me a song for that one there. You have to build on solid foundation. That is it. Me say me go over there, me run this morning, get a song come to me. Don't let me fall, Lord, don't let me fall. Enough of them people there want to take away the ball.
Alright, that's right. This is, do you ever realize that you just sit down and a song just come to you?
Yeah.
And you sing it?
Yes. And me I run down the hill and the song come to me because the hill steep.
Yeah.
So me say, don't make me fall, Lord, don't make me fall. I say, me get up this morning and say, you're beautiful land. And Patrick, what you have produced. And me, you have made me, Mama. You make me all my life. You are the first mother, I say, Mama. Too.
All right.
Me never, in my spirit, me know me have to come back here for grow. Me can't, this is my yard.
That's
So
right.
if me want to go to the next level, me have to come here, so
That's right.
if it spring off again.
All right.
Every time you want to go to another level, you have to go back home.
Then almost.
Spring off again. Get strength. Talk to Mama. Get a new song. and then, like you said.
So when the eagle, be like the eagle, man. The eagle will just run around, and steer.
Yes.
And steer. So, he said, my time tell you in time come. My
Yes.
say this tell you in time come. And the eagle, and him fly the highest, you know. You know that an eagle fly higher than any bird.
Yes.
Because what? He stay till his strength come. Just get up and play up and by eat half each and you drop. Boom. Eagle fly the highest. And I don't believe no people know that. Because him see it. You see.
And him patient.
See it till his
And him
strength.
watch, you know. The eagle watch everything around him.
You watch him when he pin like the aeroplane and he, my God, he say somebody tell me stand up and me look on him and then take off, man. And if you watch an eagle flying, never go straight all the time.
So you can't predict him. No prediction for where he go.
Oh my God. You can't take him down. Because what? He have the strength to do what he is doing.
So
Right.
soar like an eagle.
Yes, man, it's strong like an eagle. Why you think some businessman just start a business and just drop down bomb?
Yeah.
No foundation.
No foundation.
And after he build the foundation, stop and think. You're supposed to stop and think.
Put things into reason and perspective.
What's going to happen tomorrow?
Yes.
Though tomorrow provide peace, but you have to think until it be tomorrow. No true.
Yes, ma'am.
You can't just get up and say, today, and me I go do so. And you just get up and do it. You have to think what you're going to do. If you lie down on my bed, after when we get up certain hours, I pray. And after I pray, I go back and lie down, and the sensation of consideration come over me, and I say, what? I'm going to look after today. I'm going to look after. I say, Lord, whatever you put on the table, help me to give thanks.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That thinking have to come to you, because that is the flesh stripping out. And I ask you, what you have to look at that today?
Yeah.
And you say, I'm talking about what you do. All you have to say, whatever lay on the table, give thanks. It might be where you say you go to, by your come out, or you pick out another that you look after.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, so whatever you put on the table, give thanks. Right? You understand me?
I understand.
It's because you can't get us man say you want a bowl of porridge, and when you realize how good on you know, but with the porridge, something is up on the table. You understand? So whatever you put on the table, give thanks.
Don't let me fall, Lord. Don't let me fall.
Don't let you fall.
Enough of them now go give me the phone call.
Now go get the phone call. No, now go get the phone call. You know,
Mama,
and that wouldn't be lie.
You know, you
that
said...
That wouldn't be a lie. That is something that you should cherish. That same song that you get there. You should cherish that song.
Yes.
Because don't let me fall. You're asking the Lord for something.
Yes.
to grant you strength that you don't fall. Because if, in case you fall, you may not live to take up, you can't take up the phone. And you can't, maybe you don't know where it dropped, and it's gone. So who want which phone call them out with? You see it till you perish, and you see it till you recover. Cherish that song.
I will.
Yeah, man, cherish it.
Because me get another one the day before, so me come here getting song, you know. Me get one say, they have bees, they have trees, they have knees, berries. They have mango falling from the trees around here. Them have bees, them have knees, berries. Them me say, we have everything. Me say, they have
trees. You have to come both.
Me say, when me look around, me sing like say, me so happy around there, so. When me turn around, me say, they have trees. They have bees, they have butterflies, they have kneesberries, they have mangoes falling from the trees, they have wind, they have everything.
Everything.
One have everything.
Everything.
Then one want.
One more.
So me said, this place is not cursed. This place is not the worst.
No, sir.
Them have everything.
Yeah, man.
Mama, me go around this and me say, who plant these things? Who did plant the pear tree there around there? Are you and your father?
Oh my God.
Who plant them pear tree there around there, sir? The pear tree them, who plant them?
I don't know who plant, but I plant some over there. Over people 6 side, me plant 6.
You?
Me plant 6.
You plant 6?
6.
Eh.
Right. The one where, I don't know where make the tent side of the hut.
Right side of the hut, yes.
And right, well that pear tree where you see it makes sense and me plant.
Are you planted?
And see there you come now, if you come. Well, me tell you a history I go on him.
Yes, the people this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica good life. We say
Yes,
Jamaica good life.
Yes,
because what you plant, my daughter now can come
and
enjoy.
It.
Yes.
You see. So that's why I tell you. That's why I say to you now from the point. I say the thing that you eat is that thing build you. So if the thing not clean, you not clean.
Yes.
You know, see. So see, go right back around and come back around out to the trees.
Everything,
right.
foundation
Everything.
is the trees.
Is a foundation you start with build up that.
Yeah.
Me put it grow, some come, stranger, hear what it go back, what you know. God said, that Jesus said, other sheep I have, that is not of this fold. They too, I have to search for them and bring them that they may be one fold and one shepherd. Hi. You see? That's right. So, everything combined together.
Make the whole.
The combining now, hear how it all now. The combining must be a mixture. Because you take now the natural person and you put him in this space and him grow up and that natural person go and plant a tree to bring food to the whole nation. So it go back in one next part and one next verse and he say, the sower went out to sow a seed. Some fell among thorns, some on the hilltop, some on the wayside. All right. But the one that fell on good ground bear fruit worthy for repentance, bear like you plant, and you know, when I say dream, see something you know, me don't know what to do. When like you plant a grain of corn, and you plant 5 grain of corn. One of the corn when you drop 1 whole country copy, you swallow it. All right, you better scatter it, one drop in the maca out there, so it grow, you know. But the root where he said, too young for the older root when you drop monks. So that older root now suck him out. So don't go in the day, you can't strive, you can't come to nothing. The other one now we put on the stone. Drop on the stone and in catch his part in the one little drop of mice to bend it so in cut iron in grow. But as soon as the sun come up, and gone. Because in no depths of road. You know see. So But the one now, me tell you, the one come and bear fruit with everybody. Because when you think, him root go deep.
Mm-hmm.
You know, see? After when him planting at the earth, you know, him go down and him stretch out himself, man, and he find maestro. So the maestro when he find out, bring him up. That's him can bear, come up and bear. Yeah, that's what I'm saying now. Yes, sir. Yeah, the pear tree, the mango tree, the breadfruit tree. And when you look over the Bersham side, you see one breadfruit tree there near to the roadside. Like you don't go by the Pacific. Near to the road, I'm planted there.
What you saying?
Yes. My husband, I beg him cut the breadfruit root and it's spring. And when he come to mature, he said to me, call me and say, him chop off, when me about to do him, I said to him, I said, me like I go down the yard, you know, but if you plant breadfruit tree, don't later go bust the tank after it start to run. So, me go plant it right out there. So, I mash it, me take plant it there. Yes. So, all of these things combine together.
Yes, ma'am.
A history. You see? A history. You may come up on one time like you come in on me and talk and like you do what you do and write the book. Enough people have it written down. Enough people have it twist, see. Yes, this is it. This is so and this is so. This is so and this is so. So it's history. While the older one going down, a younger one will come up to take this space. I might be different name, you know. A different state also. But a younger one happy come up to take this space. That's why when you see a certain tree and it grow and it go there, it starts send root springing. Starts send spring. The root will take the depths of the earth, where you get the mice down, they start spring. And sometimes you go down, you see that curl up and you say, oh, no. Actually, I look like it's about dead. But when you look, you see, instead of in substance come up. You see, and still no give up. Let me tell you, Kevin. My boy. You know, give up, you know, and still I try to help somebody. So instead of might be 2 or 3 springing. If you know and realize you take care of it, because after them they come up and start to spread out them, you know. They suck with everything from him now, you know. To help themselves.
So, him always a help others around him. Because you have the strength.
Have the strength.
Have the sun, have the root, yeah.
So
and not just the root, of the sun too.
That's
can right. Grow tall.
That's right.
And get the sun.
Yeah, man, you get the sun and then come up and then so after that, mother would feel that then they come up and might become stronger than him.
Yes.
Because why these things coming to me, I don't know. My mother, when my great grandmother, when life started with them, let me tell you something. It was very poor. But as time goes on, knowledge increase.
Yes.
Things start to increase.
Yes.
You see, because when you was here up at that part of the house as a little baby boy, run up and down, you never have the knowledge that you would even live yourself, or you would go to Kingston or find yourself where you find yourself now. But as knowledge, the growth. Let me tell you, Kevin, our book, you know, our book may I read out. The growth of a person or something is, you start from a little baby there. All right. You feel sick, you know, take care of you. You know, try to go to the doctor, you know, get nothing. You might be dead. But you're helpless. You know, see. You're not dead, you know, but you grow, but you're just weaky, and because a part of you, this strong gone. You see, maybe this something will come out from you and suck something out of you. Suck you. And if they get something out of it and it dry up, but it's inside. It now mightn't show outside, but it's inside that you will take and destroy your body. You see? So you know, grow with that strength and that vigor in you. You go puny and wiki. Right. But the one where you take care of now, like how you and my daughter have a son. I didn't leave him down now, baby. But me take him in a walk. And he jump and bust in head, and I go tell you, that come to me this morning back. Bust the paragraph so. And me became a mile goalie. You know mile goalie?
Yeah, yes.
3 times I became a doctor. And I walk by now I got mile goalie, you know.
Wow.
And I walk with him from my back, neck back. And in that is the same place there, no back. No one there how him I go. I don't know him, you don't know nothing about him. Alright. Him at that town I work. One morning when me get up, I smell something funny. But I hear him say, so I said, I turn him around and could be, and I look. And I look, I see the bandage upon the parrot I sweat. And I said, no, you're not supposed to have such a supposed to dry. And it smells sting. And I get up and I just go get some warm water and throw some little in there. White, take out, tear off it. You see, when I take a dead flesh, you know, the picking parrot, you know. Dead flesh, you know, Kebby. And a doctor, I just carry away, you know. I say, you know what? I get up and I tear off it. And I wash it and suffer in my ball because it's hot. I wash it out. Wash it out. And my wife said to me and tell me what to go do. And I get the busy and the antidote and 1 oil grain, 1 castor oil grain. I make great at the busy and the antidote together. I get open the castor oil, bust the castor oil grain and take out the white in there. And rub it up and drop 3 drops of healing oil in there. And I rub it till it come plaster. And I take the plaster and I put on it on the forehead. And I say, don't scratch it up, you know, and I bang it tight down. And 3 days, when you pick it, when I take off it, I see dry, I take off it. It level like a man, so. And after when we do that, I just get the MB pill and crush it in a powder and sprinkle it. And nobody do nothing more to do for that. Well, and a medicine doctor saying he put on the picking parrot. Will where the king's son get burned right as a by his brother carry the fire and he run down upon him and they burn him as well. I mean I can't go doctor. We just use the same ointment there and put on it upon me. And when you will, you get the banana roast. I had 90 with the healing. Yes, so you know, because they all come off, they all have cough come off. And I can't go no doctor. And I just get the same something and mix up it.
What you mix up?
The antidote and the busy and the castor oil grain. And drop the healing oil pan it. And put on the pan. And when it really white. And then we get the banana roast, the banana band where you see all this and cut it and burn it in the fire and rub it up and take it and put pan it. You couldn't tell him say my hand nose.
He rebuild him nose.
Eh?
He rebuild him nose.
Yeah man. That's a young man where you call to outer road this. The big south one. They come over. Tony have one bad foot. Me get one bad foot. Come here from me, come here have the foot and it's a drain and you can't wear no shirt and maybe just have cover it up all the time. After when me left now and come back there. After me do that to the picnic, I me give. And you could tell Tony say me have put now. Me never do it, me say me give, me tell him what we do. He have one in Japan, one shop from the same young man. And this hand. I don't know what I am doing, but I be benching over the book, you broke when I have to but when I see him, I saw him holy, I saw him happy holy hand. He can't stretch out his so. And he come and say me a talk to him. And he tell me, say, I go back a doctor. And I go in the house and I take out one buckle and I throw some on Healing Island, the olive oil, and I throw it in my hand and I stretch out the hand. And rub the hand and I rub it after I rub it at night. And I give the rest until you can tell the young man, say, if he ticky after when he bathe the evening time, if he wipe it with the warm water and rub it. And then to no go back and doctor. He come about 3 or 4 days after and said, me sit him look on me hand. See me hand, me can't take it put food on my mouth. No. And she told me there how. You know, my member say hand being either sit out or being broke. No.
Mm-hmm.
You see, so I will heap a blessing surround me, man. If Tony I go walk on me, want him to come help me do anything and he catch a hold of me and somebody see me and say, you know, Mama, been I look for you. And he say, for what? And he say, so and so and so. He might put on in 2 hours, turn back, come see what. Whole heap of them, heavy. Some of them all jump on for shoddy. Sometimes I have my eye on her do so you see them pass, come I straight in the kitchen again. That God me say to you, if you did, me not live down here, so tell when you bury you know. Me not live here. In daddy, we like the boy, the daddy when him a pass and you some go by goat and as he catch them, so me say, Mr. Sergeant, come. And he tie up the goat. Me have to draw the coffee game before I let you know. Then show me used to be a bammy. And so, me always a bammy. Be a bammy sale. And God tell you, man. Hey.
What was your favorite food growing up?
Hey?
Your favorite food growing up?
Sin beans. You know beans yam?
Yes.
Sin beans. And the same yellow yam, me love me and tar. Me love the yam man, but me can't to manage them again. But every yam, mozzarella, me make the yam and some me love them. Because so me plant them. No yam what you call it, you tell me yampy, white yam, everyone. Me plant here grow place. Plant here. And the yard me not plant, I grow me when I plant.
And your back still strong?
Alright. The only thing affect me back when me used to work. And you know about trouble me. I mean, I know that me back would have hurt me. When we plant carrot, and me have a weedy carrot, I mean about burning carrot, me weedy. And if me say, if this a piece of pan kitchen, I just chop up 2 tank holders, and me say, me I done it before me get up, me not get up. But when we get up now, it kind of hook me. And me happy, ease takes time, you know, ease up. But, can me give God thanks, you know, so me can sit down and pick chicken, take up bucket of water, now my hand can come in and do all it. Me have to give thanks here, man. I know little work me do. Kevin. Me work, you know. When me left back and go now, we had 3 grown me got. 3 grown. But you don't know now when I want so because you just go and come and go. You go there. I saw rocks on a hill and a valley you have to climb.
We know forgot Sibless and then forgot Nelson Peace.
Aye. But and them there, you have to say clear road, but down a breadfruit tree, down a round bottom, down a, which part me been walk down on my brother place there. Jesus Christ. Some of the place you have to let go the basket from your head. With the load pan and hold on pan rocks until you catch up with your walk.
Sometimes you have to take rest. Every time you go, you have to rest.
I tell you something, young man. Somebody make like people work for picking it, if you send them to school. But I tell you, give me. I have to give thanks when I see me can get up and light stove and hot like a water drink. No, I have to give thanks, man. Because I know say, no same place about I can't do what I do right now. No. I have to give thanks. When I was it, at the building.
At the foundation,
come back
you
again
didn't
at the
get
foundation.
that struggle was what make you so firm today.
But when my mother used to, we never have honest, they never know. But when they go, they never go kill them a goat. Mama, then kill the goat and not sell. We boil soup, give it. We never worry about meat, man, meat. When they go kill, when Shirley kill Hagan and Cynthia, him a get certain amount. Me take it now, me come here. So by the time we kill Hag, no sell. We can't. You see, when me go Christian and I wanna buy sometimes, when me come my papa say, Mama, I'm a kid here go. So my meat me care if me want every meat, we can come me picking them eat. You see. When a bush callaloo, a bush callaloo. When a cabbage, you see. Me take cabbage, carrot and salad and things make menu, me picking them without meat. Oh. So me don't know. Then they me picking it. You know so then tram? Jesus Christ. No feel picking it, they're no weak. None of them no weak. None. With body strong. And I no work, me no work. When me left off a bush at daytime, and come here, wash me and put on the pot, me have to go and add the machine, me go and pan. You see? So, sometimes everybody drop a seed, gone and seed, me left on a machine and sew. Oh, Jesus Christ, give me another little work me do. Another little work me do. Me don't know them young people now lazy, so. So.
New system.
Keep, me feed my body. When me go, I'm a week time. 1 week now pass, I mean, I buy me back a bigger plant too, you know, man. Me, when me buy it, every week me go to market, me go, when me can't buy the big one, me buy the medium size. And the little one. Me say, me bigger than two, and one, the other one, me short back one, the day. Remember one, I me feral, I listen to them, me buy drink with him, man. By me tonic, we drink on his wine, so that's why there's on his wine. About a me tonic, man, sir. By me tonic, man. See? Everybody no weak.
Body strong.
So my body strong, well built. How a minute I get when me get come and realize how me put in. You see? And the most thing again, me no lick my body all about. That is it. You see? Yes, sir. If a John. Oh, some people you there so they good say they not no behavior, they go and they say they just run up on them. That not good, not help you. Mash up your sculpture. Can't live no time. Can't live no time, man. You know see all those holding age people. Holding time, Kevin. You must hear about them. They're strong. Live 100 and 200 and 300 years. Then they run up and down and then just... Me have to say to myself, they no have church, but they live a Christian life. Right. If a baker. Right. And them the people not marry 2 times, 1 time. And they marry and if they wife depart, they just live. You see. So, that's how it go.
Them.
Young man nowadays, they weak. Then God I hate
Them weak.
And weak, man.
Well, you know, hopefully, you remember, when you did tell me I'm going to do something and people going to see it. Well, them seeing it now.
Yes, that's right. And someone who when I wish you evil, have to come back home now, come say, boy. If them they say to you, they might be happening in their mind, but
yes.
Maybe they say that something I know, but you know, it's not go so. That's not go so. But then can't say it to you. And they now go talk it, but they conscious. Yeah, that's something they're conscious, man. They're conscious. I will people wish and tell you, and this will happen and that will happen. But let me tell you something. Kevin, as long as a man trusts God, knows that there's a God somewhere. Me no want to know when they, me want to know say when me dead, me there when they. For anyway they are heaven there.
Yes.
For nobody can buy heaven without you clean. And God clean. God is our all-purpose God. Here. And you know, take up no unfinished work. And the work must full persuaded. Right? No one finish up, God not take up.
Mm-hmm.
99 and a half, you want the half.
Mm-hmm. Everything.
Aye. Put in the whole of it, man. The man with the ball gun.
We want it all.
Give me the whole of it. And you can't go in.
Everything.
What you want? Give me the whole of it. And he can't go in the mountain of the boat can't manage it. Oh my God.
We take the burden upon him, he will take it. That is the strength, yeah? Gives him whole life.
God, thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Yeah, man. The strength of everything at the foundation.
Mm-hmm.
You see. So if you have a below at the foundation, when you put on the type this thing up there, what will happen?
Mm-hmm.
You know, come down.
Mm-hmm.
And now the root of must be holy.
Mm-hmm.
What make you think they put 4 corner posts?
Mm-hmm.
And after that, they're going to put middle posts.
Mm-hmm.
And they put braids.
Mm-hmm.
Now be holy, oh. So,
Mm-hmm.
if you know how them there,
Mm-hmm.
you don't. If you know how them there, you don't, man. You don't. You have a lot of them people. You don't know if a strong man will go and host up here, okay? Yeah, okay, boy.
I tell you, life is beautiful because we're together.
Eh?
This moment we're spending is forever.
All right.
You know.